how was your relationship with your boyfriend? Kasi diba, that's your first love eh. Your puppy love. That plays a huge role.
Yeah.
Ewan ko kung para sa mga lalaki, dahil wala lang, gusto lang mag-girlfriend. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko sa ating mga girls, your first puppy love is something you remember forever. Diba yung
Talaga?
hindi nyo talaga makakalimutan.
Ganon din naman sa aming mga boys.
True ba?
Oo, siyempre. Di porket
At
lalaki
parang
kami.
natatawa
Hindi na
yung
namin...
mga daddy, yung mga tito dito, mga kuya, parang...
Tanungin natin si Tatay Paulo. Tatay Paulo, kayo ba, nung unang girlfriend nyo ba, naaalala nyo?
Yes, yes, definitely. Yeah. May puso rin naman tayong mga lalaki.
Tsaka hindi kami nangunguha ng adlay. Tapos,
So how was it for you? Bilang this was your first boyfriend.
Yes.
How long did yung pagtatago? Kasi may konting excitement din yun. How long did it last?
It lasted for approximately 5 years.
Uy!
5 years?
Yes,
Kayong
5
nag-uusap
years.
sa chat lang?
Chat
calls?
and... So, anong nangyari po kasi, he's ahead of me 1 year.
Oh, okay.
Pero nag-accelerate po ako after grade 7.
So,
tumalon
nahabol mo na
po
siya
ako sa
naging-
class niya. Hindi po sadya yun, pero it just so happened na...
Brainy ka.
siyempre accelerated.
Teka lang, sa 5 years na yun, ilang beses kayong nahuli?
Wow, to be honest, I cannot count, no? Kasi
So, madaming
it was found
beses
in
na?
different ways. May isang beses din dahil binigyan niya ako ng regalo. That's one of the sweet moments na he's so artistic, super talented. Nag-graffiti drawing siya. So sa canvas, yung maliit na canvas, he would draw my name and then ibibigay niya sa akin.
Sa school. Ano yung
Parang
ilalagay pa niya sa
calligraphy.
locker mo?
No, he just gives it to me personally pa. Like,
Teka, sandali. Ano nga bang pangalan nung... Pwede bang sabihin?
Hindi.
no, I
Wag
would
na.
like to
Private
Ex na lang ang pangalan.
Yung
Si
kanyang
Boy
ex.
po.
Oo. So 5 years, that's a long time.
Yes.
Tapos I think kasi grabe yun, everyday kayo nagkikita, nagla-lunch kayo together.
Opo,
I'm sure
yes.
everyday nagda-date. Imagine ninyo.
yeah.
I'm sure parang you basically grew up together.
Actually,
Nag-aaway ba kayo? Ganon? Sa school, nangyayari ba ever?
nung junior year, syempre may parang tampuhan kasi na selos, ganon. Pero nung medyo nag-mature na kami sa senior years, we've kind of learned to understand and the trust, parang may na-develop na trust. And I guess maturity just happened, and so it was a happy relationship overall kasi siya lang parang yung naging friend ko sa high school.
Pero Gia, napansin mo ba before o naramdaman mo na parang yung parents mo parang ang higpit pagdating sa'yo? I mean, yung panahon na yan.
I did feel it. I would say meron akong trait kasi medyo strong and sometimes I could be hard-headed na parang the more you stop me, parang mas gusto kong gawin.
I think lahat tayo teenager.
Yeah.
Naging ganun din ako, girl. Don't you worry.
Yes.
Adlay,
I'm so honored to
Sorry,
be...
mommy.
Paano yan? Ano yan? After school ba, tumatakas kayo?
I
Lumalabas
don't do
yun?
after-school stuff
Hindi
usually.
Yung sa aso
nung
nga,
senior na
paglalabas
lang,
yan.
maybe. I think few times.
Pero diba sabi mo nga, you guys were eventually growing up, getting older, nagmamature kayo. Habang nagmamature kayo, hindi nyo ba naisip na parang, maybe it's time for us to tell my parents na?
We've talked about it. It became that serious na parang we even see each other as future, parang mag-asawa.
Wow,
I would,
talaga?
opo,
Ganun na, no?
tatanungin ko siya, how would you raise your kid? Would you allow your kid to do this and that? Yeah.
Parang ngayon lang natin narinig
Tapos na yun, Daddy. Okay
Wala
na.
tapos yan.
Opo. Pass is pass na.
Di ba, Daddy, meron ka ng bagong babantayan.
Mas madami pa. Joke lang. Pero, sorry, where was I?
Ayun, yung future.
Yung future.
Yung ano,
Nakikita
about
mo
telling
siyang
your
husband.
parents eventually na
Opo.
parang meron na kayong relationship.
Yeah, and when we talk about that, ang lagi kong sinasabi, pag after studies na.
Oh, so sobra kang natakot pala sa parents mo.
Yeah. Paano naman yung boy? Hindi mo ba na-meet yung parents nung boy?
Oh, I've met his mom. Yeah, and they're a lovely family.
So, nagkaroon kayo ng relationship? Ikaw at yung mom?
Hindi po masyado relationship kasi working din po yung mom niya. So, it was more on siya lang. Actually, mas nakilala pa yung parents ko than I know his family.
Oo.
Parang,
Ano yun? Alam niya na dating lang kayo or boyfriend-girlfriend lang kayo?
It was a very silent, mutual thing talaga. Kasi nga, I always tell, lagi po akong parang maingat because I know nga po bawal eh. So, it was an silent commitment, yun po. As in like, I don't want you with other girls, you don't want me with other guys.
Pero wala talagang label
Wala
na
pa.
boyfriend,
Wala. Para pag
girlfriend.
tinanong ako, legally speaking, I don't
Hindi
have
kayo.
A boyfriend.
Yes po.
Galing.
Ano yung, ano yung,
Pero tanong nila sige.
sige, go. Ano yung feeling nung time na yon nung nagkikita kayo nung ex mo na may adventurous ba yun para sa inyo o talagang takot kayo that time na baka mahuli kami and trauma? O adventurous na nag-enjoy kayo na nagtatago kayo? Ganun.
Siya medyo chill siya sa aspeto na yon. Ako, I don't know why nga eh. Parang napapressure nga ako doon, pero ginagawa ko pa rin. Medyo makulit nga ako noon eh. So, I didn't enjoy the hiding. I wanted to live. It came to a point na I want to live a transparent life.
Right. Oo.
Yeah, so I kind of got tired of the hiding. But then, of course...
Nahuli ka agad. Yun lang. You got tired of the hiding, pero nahuli ka agad.